Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on learning and improving your English speaking skills. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new here, this is English Listening Journey, where we make learning English simple, fun, and effective. If you want to improve your English and speak with confidence, make sure to subscribe and stay with us until the end of this video. Why this lesson is important. Today, I'm going to share with you 15 powerful words that can help you speak fluent English faster than you think. Many learners believe they need to memorize thousands of words to speak English fluently, but that's not true. Fluency is about using the right words in the right way. If you focus on the most commonly used words, you'll be able to express yourself clearly and naturally. So, if you've ever felt stuck while speaking, or if you hesitate because you don't know the right words, then this lesson is perfect for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. The 15 essential words for fluent English. Now, let's go through these words one by one. I'll explain their meaning, give you example sentences, and we'll practice pronunciation together. 1. Go. This is one of the most basic and commonly used verbs in English. It means to move from one place to another. Example: I go to work every morning. Practice. Repeat after me. I go to school every day. Now, let's try using it in a question. Where do you go on weekends? Great job. Let's move on to the next word. 2. Come. The opposite of go. It means to move toward a specific place. Example: Can you come to my house later? Practice. Come here for a moment. Now, let's try using it in a question. Will you come to the party tonight? Fantastic. Let's continue. 3. Do. This word is very important because it's used in questions, statements, and actions. Example: What do you do for a living? Practice. I do my homework every evening. Let's try it in a question. Do you like learning English? 4. Make. Make means to create or produce something. Example: Can you make me a cup of coffee? Practice. I make dinner for my family every night. Now, try using it in a sentence. I want to make a new habit of reading English books. 5. Have. Have is used for possession, experiences, and relationships. Example: I have a lot of friends. Practice. I have an important meeting tomorrow. Try this sentence. Do you have time to talk? 6. Take. Take means to grab, carry, or accept something. Example: Can you take this book for me? Practice. Take a deep breath and relax. Try this sentence. I take the bus to work every morning. 7. Give. Give means to provide something to someone. Example: Can you give me a glass of water? Practice. I will give you a call later. Try this sentence. Can you give me some advice? 8. See. See means to notice or view something. Example: Did you see the movie last night? Practice. I see a beautiful sunset. Try this question. What do you see in this picture? 9. Know. Know means to have knowledge or information. Example: I know how to cook pasta. Practice. Do you know the answer? Try using it in a sentence. I know learning English takes time, but I won't give up. 10. Think. Think means to use your mind to consider something. Example: I think learning English is fun. Practice. I think we should go now. Try using it in a question. What do you think about this lesson? 11. Like. Like means to enjoy or prefer something. Example: I like ice cream. Practice. Do you like watching English movies? Try this sentence. I really like practicing English every day. 12. Want. Want expresses a desire for something. Example, I want to learn English fluently. Practice, what do you want for lunch? Try using it in a sentence. I want to become more confident in English. 13. Need. Need expresses necessity. Example, I need some help with my homework. Practice, do you need anything? Try this sentence. I need more practice to improve my speaking skills. 14. Say. Say means to express something with words. Example, what did you say? Practice, say hello to your mother for me. Try this question. What do you want to say to English learners? 15. Tell. Tell means to communicate or share information. Example, can you tell me a story? Practice, tell me the truth. Try this sentence. Can you tell me your name? How to practice these words. Now that we've learned these 15 essential words, how can you practice them effectively? Here are some simple exercises. 1. Repeat each word and sentence. Say them out loud to improve your pronunciation. 2. Write your own sentences. Try making sentences using each of these words. 3. Record yourself speaking. Listen to how you sound and make corrections. 4. Use these words in daily conversations. Try using them when speaking with friends or even talking to yourself in English. Homework for you. Now here's a small challenge for you. 1. Write a short paragraph using at least 5 of these words and post it in the comments. 2. Try speaking for 2 minutes using only these 15 words in your sentences. I will check your answers and give feedback. Final thoughts. Speaking English fluently doesn't mean knowing every single word in the dictionary. It means knowing how to use the most common words effectively. These 15 words are the foundation of natural English conversations. So, keep practicing, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Fluency comes with practice. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning and improving.